Hi guys. Does tooth whitening will damage your teeth? No, it's absolutely wrong. Because if it is performed under the supervision of a professional dentist, then it is completely safe and effective. If you are going to buy anything from over the counter, then there may be some kind of side effects like sensitivity of the teeth and gum irritation. So I recommend everyone to visit your dentist if you want to perform any teeth whitening treatments. Like it depends upon the type of stains you have. There are two types of stains, one is internal and one is external. External stains can be corrected by doing scaling, bleaching. You can use toothpaste, whitening strips. Internal stains can be removed only by the dentist by using certain methods like laser methods, LED therapies, zoom lightning therapies, etc. I'm going to suggest you one toothpaste which brightens your teeth. So watch till the end. The reason behind stains and discoloration of the tooth are coffee, tea, red wine, cool drinks. Internal stains occurs due to demineralization and decalcification of the enamel. It happens during the early stages of the permanent tooth formation. So, any chronic illness or infections may cause defective enamel formation. Water fluoridation causes dental fluorosis. Enamel hypoplasia is the condition where you can see the defective enamel during the formation stages. Procedure what we are performing is zoom teeth whitening due to coffee stain. So comparing to laser treatment, this is very effective because we can cover full tooth at a time and we can adjust the intensity of the light. So according to the stains, we can adjust the light. What are the precautions to be taken after doing this procedure is like you should not have any color foods like coffee, tea, stained cool drinks, sugary substances and acidic foods, acidic cool drink for 2 days. Very hot and cool food should be avoided. Whatever treatments we are performing is not permanent, everything is temporary. The effectiveness of the treatment depend upon your maintenance. So you have to eliminate the causative agent. Use Colgate Optic White if you don't have any sensitivity. You can use Crest 3D White Brilliance. It protects from decays even. You can use Ecodenta Extra Black Whitening Toothpaste if you have very hard stains. If you have sensitivity, you can use Sensodyne Pronamel Gentle Whitening Toothpaste. Those who don't want to use chemicals, they can use natural teeth whiteners. In case if you are observing any side effects, please stop using this.
Subscribe this conference.